Hi guys, today I am doing a product review and a tutorial of a product called Pavèz. Well, I think the full name is Jan Benham Cosmetics Pavèz. It's a brand in the Netherlands that does full natural cosmetics, and they make everything by hand and put a lot of love and effort in it. And recently they've sent me a little PR package with some eyeshadow products, and I will link that PR package video, the unboxing and the swatches of that, in the description box so that you can have a look at that if you're interested. But today I am doing an eyeshadow look with that. I will be creating this eyeshadow look, and then I will show you which brushes I'm using to apply them, how I apply them, and give you my thoughts of the brand and the product at the end of the day. Now, I really like the swatches of these eyeshadows, so I'm very interested and very excited to start playing with them. I'm just going to treat it like my normal eyeshadow routine. So I primed my eyelids with my Natasha Denona Creamy Concealer in the color YP3. And then I just set that with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. And then on my eyebrows, I just added some Maybelline Express Brow in the color Cool Brown to fill my eyebrows. And then I just set that with some NYX Control Freak Brow Setter Gel. It's a clear brow gel. I received a brown Kajal pencil that I've already played with a bit, so it's a bit messy already. So the name is the Allure Kajal pencil in the color brown. I don't know if you can really see that, but my idea is just to put that down close to the lash line and here in the crease, and I'm going to just blend that out to almost create a crease base for the eyeshadow look. I'm using a dense blending brush from the Morphe MUA Live brush set. All the brushes I'm using today will be from that brush set. And what I like about this one is it's a bit more dense than the other brushes, the other blending brushes. So I think it works a bit better for blending out the creamy products. So I'm just really blending that out all over the crease and just above the crease to create a base color for my eyeshadow look. This is a lovely pencil for creating a one and done eyeshadow look. You can just deepen it up a little against the lash line, and then there you go. I'm just putting a little bit at the bottom and blending it out with that same brush. I'm going to use the Satin Noir eyeliner pencil. It's a black, very soft eyeliner because I really want to create a smoky look with this purple color of theirs. So I'm going to just roughly line the top of my lash line. I'm going to blend that out a bit. And I'll probably add another layer at the end, but this will just be to create the smoky effect. I'm just using a dense angled pencil brush to just blend out that eyeliner. I'll mess that up now a bit, but I'll fix it. Okay, so just smoking it out like that. I'm just blending this edge into the outer crease. Taking that previous brush and just blending that edge again. I like how that's looking. Okay, so now that I've got the creamy products down, I'm just going to go in with this peach color. It's a very pretty, not really a deep shimmer color. It's got a very fine sparkle to it, but I think it's the closest to a nice matte shade that I'm going to get here. I'm just going to deepen up my crease a bit with that and hopefully brush away most of the sparkle, because I'm not really a fan of using sparkle on my crease. But it looks pretty. I'm taking this purple color on a smaller blending brush. It's a bit more dense than my other blending brushes. And I'm really going to deepen up this outer corner with that. Just softly blending it inwards. I really want to pack it on here on the edgemost part of the eye. I'm just taking that fluffy brush that I used on the previous color and just blending the edges of the purple. I'm going to take what's left on the brush and just deepen up under the eyes. Just a soft purple deepening up there. Not really very deep, just a bit of a blend. I'm taking the fluffy brush again and just buffing out those edges. Okay, because I said I'm going to treat this like a normal eyeshadow look for me, I'm going to add some of the Pat McGrath Intensifies Artistry wand on the lash just to grip on the shimmery shades a bit better. You can use a lash glue for this step, or if you don't like it as shimmery, you can just add it as it is. Not going all the way to the end, just about 2/3 to the outer side, and then from the inside of the lid. Okay, I'm going to take this soft pink color. I'm using a flat brush, just a dense flat packing brush. And I'm just placing that all over the lid, focusing most of the product on the inner half. And then blending it outwards to this purple color. And then I'm just taking the brush I applied the purple with, and I just want to blend out the edges. Merge the two colors together. Okay, now I'm going to use this whitish frosty silver color. I'm just using a flat brush again. It's a smaller flat brush than the previous one. And I'm just going to do the inner corner highlight with that. Just really brighten up this inner corner. Take a little bit on this first part of the lower lash line, and then blend the rest upwards. Just really brightening up this inner part of the eye. And just taking a big fluffy brush and blending out the edge at the top. And then I'm applying some of that close to the lash line with the same brush. Just want to highlight the brow lash line here. I meant brow bone. Don't know where my mind is today. I just want to really lift that brow bone a bit. And then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and just blending everything nicely together, all the edges, and just making sure everything looks nice and seamless. I'm just going to add some of the eyeliner that I showed before at the top of the lash line. Just softly smoking it. So I'm not too worried about precision lining. It used to be my favorite technique when I couldn't do solid eye lines. I just added a rough line on the lash and then I just smoke it out a bit. And then I just take a thin brush or an angle brush and I just blend the edges of that eyeline a bit. into the eyeshadow. Just adding a bit of that eyeliner in the waterline as well. It's a very soft eyeliner, so be careful not to extend it too much. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Let me go do some eyelashes and then I will be back with my final look and my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back with the final eyeshadow look. I added some Maybelline mascara to the lashes and then I added some Art Dowel, I think it's 120 wispies. I'll just link them in the description box, along with all of the other products that I used today. So let's look at all the products that I used. The brown eye pencil I really liked. I think you can very easily do a one and done eyeshadow look with it, and it's very easy to blend out. It doesn't set very quickly, so you have some play time to just shape and deepen up the way you want the eyeshadow to be, which is a lovely thing to just throw in your handbag and then you have your quick and easy eyeshadow look with you. The eyeliner is a very soft eyeliner. I did manage to get it quite deep in the waterline. Sometimes with natural eyeliners I struggle to get a lot of depth, but I think I managed to achieve quite an amount of depth with this eyeliner. I just tend to press very hard, and the first time I swatched this one I broke off the point of the eyeliner because it's a very soft formula, so just keep that in mind. I really like the purple color that I used today. I don't know if the soft pink is quite what I expected. It's got a lot more of an icy cool tone to it, and I don't know why, but I expected it to be a bit more rosy. But now when I look at the shade and even when I look at the swatches that I did, it was still more of a frosty pink color than a rosy pink color. I'm just really going to come in close so you can see what the shimmer looks like on that pink color. I like the fact that I could use that peachy color to just warm up and give some color to my crease, or just above the crease where the transition shade would normally be. And this peachy shade, when you apply it with a finger, it has a very, very fine sparkle to it, which looks very elegant. So if you just apply that with your finger all over the lid, it would really look stunning. I like the icy silver color. I think it's a very nice inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight. I maybe applied it a bit thick, but I think you can really achieve that brightening effect with this color. I didn't use the golden color and the brown color today. I will do a short where I use that. But overall, I think it looks beautiful considering it's an all-natural product. It doesn't have any silicone products or parabens or any of those weird ingredients in there. It's all minerals and all natural, so I think it really achieves a lot considering all that. And as I said, these products are all handmade, so they really put a lot of effort and love into that. My lash keeps lifting up there. It looks so weird. So let me know what you think about the eyeshadow look, and let me know what you think about the products. It is the first time I'm using Pavèz eyeshadows or any of their cosmetic products other than the swatches that I've done, and I look forward to playing with the other shades as well. Especially this golden shade, I really wanted to use it today, but I really wanted to do this pinky purple look and I didn't really find a place where I wanted to add the gold. I wanted the cooler look for today. I also had minimal fallout with this eyeshadow product. Usually with purple shades, my foundation is full of purple flecks at the bottom by the time I'm done, and I didn't experience that with this. I did do my face makeup before, specifically so I can see what impact it would have, and I'm really happy with how little fallout there was. Okay, then I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!